Hey, 8th graders, continuing our look on Unit 7. We looked at the Pythagorean theorem. Yesterday we looked at square roots. Today is square roots and cube roots. So the symbol, that is called a radical. An equation that contains that symbol is referred to as a radical equation. So far you only looked at the square roots. Technically, we would denote a positive square root as that, but it is understood that the symbol alone represents a positive square root. So if n equals 3, then the symbol 3 root is used to denote the cube root of a number. Since x cubed equals x times x times x, the cube root of x cubed is x, shown there in the example. So the square cube root of a positive number exists, and there can only be one positive square root or one cube root of the number. So find the positive value of x that makes each equation true. Again, this one's kind of going to be one where you work backwards. So what times what is 169? It's 13. 625, 25. Next we have a square-shaped park with an area of 324. What are the dimensions? 18. 18 times 18 is 324. Now a cube. So a cube has a volume of 27 inches cubed. What is the measure of one of its sides? If it's a cube, they're all the same measure. So what times what is 27? That's going to be 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. So just another example there. So 13 squared, 25 squared equals 625. 18 squared equals 324. And 3 cubed equals 27. Okay, now something that's a little more unique. So when you have a number to a negative, what that looks like is this. So you're going to take the square root of x squared and of 256 to the negative first, and then you are left with x equals the square of 256 to the negative first, and then to get rid of that negative 1, you flip it. So it's the square root of 1 over 256. Simplified, we know that 16 times 16 is 256, and so then you can rewrite it as 16 to the negative first. So now a cube is similar. You do the same steps, but what times what times what equals 343. In this case, it's 7. Now last question is 6 a solution to the equation x squared minus 4 equals 5x? We plug it in. 6 squared is 36. 5 times 6 is 30. 32 does not equal 30, so 6 is not a solution. Okay, so again, your assignment is to work on lessons 2 and 3 and modal questions. You can use a calculator to find these square roots or cube roots. You can also estimate. So maybe you know that 15 is 225. 15 squared is 225, so 256 has to be more than 15, but it's not a whole lot more. So maybe you're going to try 16 times 16 or 17 or something like that. So you can do estimations like that to try and get to the right answer. Please let me know if you have any questions, and have a wonderful day.